To troubleshoot your GoHenry parent account, start by checking your login credentials to ensure you are using the correct email address and password. If you are still having trouble, try resetting your password by clicking the Forgot Password link on the login page. Next, check that your account is active and not suspended. If your account is suspended, contact GoHenry customer support to resolve the issue. Also, verify that your child's account is linked to your parent account, as this is necessary for managing their spending and account activity. If you are experiencing issues with transactions or account balances, check the transaction history to ensure all transactions are up to date. You can also try syncing your account to refresh the data. Additionally, verify that your child's card is active and not blocked, as this can prevent transactions from being processed. For technical issues, such as the app not loading or errors during login, try restarting the app or clearing the cache. You can also try uninstalling and reinstalling the app to resolve any software issues. If you are still experiencing problems, contact GoHenry customer support for further assistance. To prevent future issues, make sure to regularly update your app and keep your account information up to date. This includes ensuring your email address and phone number are current, as these are used for account notifications and security alerts. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and resolve common issues with your GoHenry parent account. If you need additional help, GoHenry customer support is available to provide assistance and answer any questions you may have. Remember to always keep your account information secure and up to date to ensure a smooth and hassle-free experience with GoHenry.